Hey everyone, Dennis here. Alright, we got another cooking video for you. Gonna bake some mac and cheese with crispy bacon. So I like to use Elbows, extra sharp cheddar cheese. I use several different types. I got the extra sharp here. I have grated cheddar, Colby Jack. So we got our water going, getting ready for the Elbows. Got our pan getting hot for the bacon. We got our bacon going. Get it nice and crispy. And you hear the sound of the bacon sizzling in the pan. So one trick that I noticed with cooking bacon is cook you one side. When you flip it over, flip it a third time to get it extra crispy. So we're gonna grate this cheddar cheese here. I'll wait for the pasta to get done. And once the pasta gets done and I strain it and I start my cheese sauce, I'm gonna get the oven going to 425. So I gotta make two styles. Of course, crunchy bacon, and then another with no bacon. Alright, so we got our bacon chopped up. Not too small, so you can at least get good sized bites. Alright, so I just start off with butter and milk. Get it melted, get it nice and hot, and then I will start adding the cheese. I do this real simple. I like to add a little cheese so the milk doesn't burn. Wait for that to melt, and then I'll start adding all the other cheeses. So we're going to start off with some Colby Jack. Just remember to keep mixing it, otherwise you'll burn the cheese. Look how thick that is. Alright, next we're going with a 4-cheese Mexican blend. And then we're going to do another sharp cheddar. The other cheddar that I grated is going to go on the top before I put it in the oven. And that's what I'm looking for, the consistency. So that way when I add the pasta, it coats it and covers it really well. You got some clumps of cheese in here. Alright guys, so I'm done making the mac and cheese. This one here is going to get a nice sprinkling of bacon. And we'll top both of them off with some shredded cheddar, just to give it some more cheese. Alright, there it is before it goes in the oven. We'll leave it in there for about 30 minutes or so, get everything nice and crispy, all the cheese melted and nice mixed together. Alright, there it is. There's my finished product. Macaroni and cheese with bacon and a plain version. I'm going to zoom in on that for you. Alright everybody, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate each and every one of you.